Hi guys, welcome back to my channel CinYungLove. So today's topic is about unboxing my birthday present from my husband, and I can't wait to unboxing with you guys. So this is still fresh from the oven. I haven't opened yet. So my hubby bought this because he liked it so much, and I'm quite surprised at that time. It's kind of like impulsive buying actually. Without further ado, let's do the unboxing, guys. Yay! So it comes with this paper bag. So it's not big, so can you guys guess what is it? The box, guys, it's not big, I know. So it comes with the receipt from the boutique. This, guys. Untie it, yeah. So this is my first piece from Hermes boutique. My Hermes collections before this bottom from a pre-love market, guys. So this is still fresh from the oven. So it looks like this. Yay! Ta-da! It comes with the Tas bags. Ta-da! Ta-da! Isn't it lovely, guys? Oh my god. Yep, it's in the ostrich leather, guys. See this. Just mentioned here has Hermes made in Paris, and it looks like this. Very simple, guys. When I try it on me, my hubby is falling in love with this clutch. It's called Jige 29. Ta-da! Jige Elan 29. Yeah. And the leather is from ostrich leather. You guys can see here. Yeah. So this, the price is kind of more expensive than the Clemens or Swift leather. It's just so unique, guys, and the color, it's so pretty. I will do a deeper review about this Jige clutch, about this Jige Elan 29 in the next video. So this is in a blue color. So I have two options in the store at that time. There's an orange color with the ostrich leather also, and the blue one, and the deep blue. I think the deep blue is more safe for me. I mean, for the orange, I already have the Lindy orange, and also I'm afraid of a color transfer because it's a bright color, right? Compared with this darker color. Also, I want to dress up or dress down with this clutch. I think it's gonna be great. So in this video, I'm trying some of entry-level bag for Hermes, such as like a Picotin, but at that time there's a Picotin 22 and in a black leather. I think I need to wait a little bit more because I'm waiting for a bright neutral color, such as like an etoupe or ethane or a gold color. I know it's kind of difficult, but I think it's worth to wait. Hermes 31 in a black color. So that's it, guys, for my video. I hope you enjoy my unboxing video, and I will upload more detail about the Jige clutch in my next video, so don't miss it, guys. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.